Here the Decorably tie-dye mini notebooks. So cute. Look at these. There are 40 of them total, and each one has 20 blank sheets. First impressions, just right out of the box. What do I think? First and foremost, they are bright, they are cheerful, and they're instantly fun. Each notebook has a unique swirl, heart, or rainbow tie-dye design. Every one of these is different. No two are the same. So what I liked about these is the vibrant laminate covers and the sturdy spiral binding. This is sturdy. It's not going anywhere. Compact, 2.4 by 4 inch size. Perfect for goodie bags, purses, or travel notes. As I said, 20 blank sheets for doodles or quick lists. These are great as party favors, stocking stuffers, or classroom prizes. Final verdict, they are colorful, they are durable, and they're practical. Each one of these is a small detail that adds joy to any celebration. This video was brought to you by Decorably, but all opinions are my own.